From the air, I catch a glimpse of what the palm oil industry has done to this country. I land in Sarawak, a Malaysian state that's seen massive deforestation. A land where activists get killed or disappear. During a period of over 50 years, the Malaysian government has overseen the destruction of the vast majority of Borneo's primary rainforest, selling it for billions of dollars as timber. Half of all the world's annual supply of tropical timber comes from Borneo, and it's replaced with rubber plantations and oil palm trees, the products of which are now used in around half of all packaged supermarket goods. Very few national parks have been created in Sarawak to protect what is considered to be the oldest and most diverse ecosystem on Earth.